This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 1, Understanding the Communicative Environment, EI. Communication involves both intentional and unintended transmission of messages through various verbal, non-verbal, visual, and auditory channels. Soft skills are qualitative traits related to social graces and communication abilities, while hard skills are quantifiable technical skills. Deciphering covert and overt communication is crucial in understanding intent. Communication occurs through multiple channels, both explicit and implicit, with non-verbal cues like body language conveying information. Objects and their absences also have the potential to communicate contextually. Encoding and decoding occur through language, digital signals, images, and feedback processes. Filters like knowledge, culture, emotion, and context impact interpretations, and biases emotional states, and language barriers can hinder effective communication. Despite facilitating cooperation, communication demands keep increasing. Future discussions will further explore communication's complex nature, encompassing various types, channels, and the challenges of interpreting covert communication and non-verbal cues. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.